Hi there, this is James, and this is a video about the Forex nitty-gritty, basically about Forex trading and how to do it better. This gentleman on the left here is Bill Poulos, and he's an expert stock trader. On the right is Greg, his son. Greg Poulos and Bill Poulos there on the screen in their characters and animated faces and so forth. But anyway, Bill has been trading for more than 30 years, and he knows Forex. He knows, options and, day trading as well. But I mean, this is about Forex right here. Bill's an expert, and here's some information that they've put together called the Forex nitty-gritty. If you want to find it, you can find their whole page of information at tradersedgeonline.com. So check that out if you like. But here's some of the information from the site so far. This is basically how to discover more pip potential in less time per day. We're talking about 20 minutes per day. I remember when I first met Greg and he told me about his dad's trading, it was, he kind of stressed that he did it in very, in a little bit of time a day rather than spending all day long in front of the chart. So that's really what this is about here. Really about freedom and independence. So let's go on here. Alright, number one, most Forex trading robots just don't work. Otherwise, if there was a system that you could just plug into and it would trade for you, then all the big firms would just be doing that and there would be no opportunity because they would just be making all the money. Or they would have just a system that would just trade and make perfect trades all day long. And there's also no perfect way of trading. There aren't just 4 set rules along the path that if you follow those 4 rules, you'll never ever lose and you'll always win. That just doesn't exist either. Now, you can read through this. You basically don't want to just take your broker's recommendations to trade. Obviously, your broker's being incentivized by commissions on the amount of times you trade, so it's all to his or her advantage to have you trade more often than not. So obviously you probably know that and just be wary of that. And you don't have to spend, 15, 17 hours a day in front of the computer looking at charts to get good at trading Forex. It's just not necessary. There are better ways of doing it. So let's go on a bit here. But that is what most traders think, that they have to spend all day long in front of the charts, but it's just not true. Now here you go. The real reason you're still losing money, don't have an edge, and can't get ahead trading the Forex markets. Probably not what you think, by Bill and Greg Poulos. You've seen this before. I mean, you know that some people do have an edge when trading, and some people, the majority of people, just don't. They don't have the experience or the the skill to trade kind of with ease, you could say. So let's move on to some of the meat here. Maybe you've tried systems or robots and so forth, and they just haven't worked. But here are the 5 big truths of permanent Forex freedom and independence. This is going to be contradictory, probably, to what you think, but just hang on for the ride here. Myth number 1, or fact number 1 here, you need to place higher probability, lower risk, short-term trades to take advantage of the mini trends that happen every single day. Buy and hold and pray approach is not going to work for Forex trading. It just won't. That's not the nature of the markets. You can make money when the markets go up or down. You probably already know that. But actually, when things are dropping, you can make more money in a quicker amount of time, and also can be less risky depending on how you look at things. Yeah, stop listening to the gurus, so-called, who are going to give you the hot tips on when to trade and how to, specifically a green light or red light system. Abandon the green light, red light system here. You can spend as little as 20 minutes a day placing your trades, and then, here's a new idea, go and enjoy it the rest of your day. Don't just sit in front of the monitor or monitors monitoring, the ups and downs of the day. So you'll get burned out, stressed out, and worn out. And it will hurt your trading when you're stressed out, burned out, and worn out. So, and you can learn how to manage risk on every trade before you even place the trade. This is strategy. Basically, good strategy is how to make sure you're in a place to win and not lose before you even enter the trade in the first place. So you're not guessing on when to exit and enter, so that you're covered one way or the other. You want to get yourself into positions that take these things into account. So anyway, this is just kind of a real quick overview. There's no real lessons in here for the actual to-dos and not to-dos. Just kind of those broad overview ones there. But basically all the rest of the stuff, you can find it. You can go to ForexNittyGritty.com, or you can go to the website right here, TradersEdgeOnline.com, and you'll get to the same page. So either one is fine. Anyway, hope you get a chance to check that out. Gets my recommendation. Bill is definitely an expert trader, and he has been trading for more than 30 years, so we can learn a lot from him. So I hope you enjoy.